So, hi guys, I look bald, but I realized I never did an intro for today's vlog. So, hi everyone, welcome to today's vlog. It's December 13th. I can't show you 13 fingers, but it's December 13th today, and it's 8 p.m. So I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired, and I'll see you guys in the vlog, but also tomorrow. So, bye. But also hi. This is confusing.
So now we're sitting right next to Emma's babe, and she's so nervous.
We are studying for our history test.
Yay!
But Amanda is not studying because she doesn't want to. But I am.
And everyone is...
Inte vad jag ska säga, den här vloggen suger.
I'm Emma's biggest fan.
Wait. Amanda is my biggest fan.
And me too.
And Beatrice too.
Yes.
So, we are waiting for our Swedish class to start. And we are discussing if... okay, how do you say, do you want to have sex with me in Italian? And we also want to know how to say it in Spanish and Dutch. So, no, not Dutch. German. Send your submissions to Beatrice Snapchat. Her Snapchat name will be right here. And let us know how you pronounce it and how you say it. Or on Twitter. Hi guys, I just came home. So I literally look the same in every single one of my vlogs. Like the lighting is bad, I have no makeup on, and I'm wearing this. But this is super comfy and it's my favorite sweatshirt right now. So I'm gonna make dinner. And then I don't really know what I'm gonna do. So I'll update you later. So I'm going to study math now. But I'm super tired. I've literally laid in my bed for an hour, 45 minutes. Yeah, 45 minutes, half an hour. But now I really have to study, so I'm going to do that. I also printed out some papers for my exchange year. Because I haven't really told you, but I am moving to the United States next August, and I'm not moving with my family. My family's moving in 2020 or 2019, and so I'm going to be an exchange student. I'm super happy. So there's a lot of paperwork, and I just printed out some papers that I need to give to my parents, no, to a doctor, and to my teacher. So it says here that the teacher has to have known you or the student for at least one semester, but my teachers haven't really known me. Like my current teachers, they have known me for less than a semester, or like pretty much a semester next week. And I'm thinking of maybe asking my old teachers because I feel like they know me a lot more. And like this past semester has kind of been not hard for me, but it's obviously, I am shy, like I am an introvert, so obviously maybe that's why I should ask my current teachers. I don't know, but they don't really know me, so I feel like it would be better to ask one of my older teachers, like from my old school. But at the same time, I probably should ask my current teacher. I'm thinking of asking my English teacher, so that's why I'm saying teacher and not teachers. Anyways, so maybe it's good to ask her since she has kind of seen what I'm like when I'm new to a school. But at the same time, one of the questions is like you're supposed to, wait, I'm gonna show you. So you're supposed to like check the most appropriate box, and here it says like sense of humor. My English teacher does not know if I have a good sense of humor or not. So I feel like it would be better to ask one of my old teachers for this question at least. And like personal motivation, she doesn't know anything about me. Academic performance, overall character, like she doesn't really know me. So maybe it would be better if I could just ask someone else. And here I'm also supposed to like fill in my grades for the past 2 years. But like this would be in 8th grade. This would also be in 8th grade. This 9th grade and this, no, 8th grade, 9th grade, 9th grade, and then 10th grade. Like first grade of the gymnasium, high school I meant. Anyways, Swedish school system, I don't know. But anyways, so like the problem here though is that we don't get grades until this summer. So again, I should probably ask my old teacher because this, yeah, I have to. When you're in high school in Sweden, you don't get graded per semester. You get your grades at the end of the year. So I'm gonna get my grades in June and not now in December. So actually I thought I would get my grades next week, but now when I think about it, I'm not. Anyway, so I'll probably have to ask my old school if they can sign this or fill this in. So I'm gonna go and take a trip to my old school, and I probably also have to email a teacher. I don't know, maybe I'll do that next Monday since, yeah, because I'm home late on like every other day. So it is 7 p.m. I haven't been this tired since forever. Like, I am exhausted. So I'm going to edit the vlog I'm posting today and then go to bed. So I was planning on posting a main channel video today, but I'll post that tomorrow because I'm so tired. Like, I'm literally exhausted and I'm gonna go to bed. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye. So the video is uploading and it's 8:23 and I'm gonna go to bed because I'm super tired and I just want to go to bed. And I also realized I never did an intro for today's vlog, so I'm gonna go and do that now, even though I look hella ugly. And I know some people have told me like, don't say that you're ugly, but personally I think I should be able to say that I'm ugly if I think I'm ugly without like offending anyone. So, and it also makes me feel better about myself when I say I'm ugly, because I am ugly right now, like ugly. I'm sorry, but I am. Okay, anyways, and I'll see you guys in the vlog, but also tomorrow. Bye.